Hi, this is Tony from Gate Crafters. We're learning about estate swing remotes this morning. In particular, this estate swing remote is the common remote that comes with their product. It has the ability to be hooked to your keychain, and then you can slide on the back of it this clip to go up into your visor. And it's nice and small, which is something I really like about it. There are 4 buttons to it. If you have an estate swing gate opener, maybe 2 of them on your property, and any third-party garage door opener can also be wired to an estate swing receiver, and each different button can open a different product. So on my property, I have 2 garage door openers and an estate swing gate. So I'm using 3 of the buttons. I bought a 2-channel receiver and hooked it up to both of the garage door openers. So I only have 1 receiver that controls both garage door openers and 2 different buttons, one for one garage door opener, one for the other garage door. So they're very handy, very small, relatively inexpensive, and you can control a variety of products with it. And keep in mind that we have tech support from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. 7 days a week. So if you're installing any of our products or have a question about what the right gate opener is for your property, don't hesitate to give us a call.